In this video, you'll learn how to create and customize a custom block in Articulate Rise 360. Start by opening your project in Articulate Rise 360. From your course dashboard, click Edit Content. Next, go to the block library and select Custom Block. Choose the blank option, then click Create a Custom Block. You will see a variety of templates. Hover over the one that best fits your course and click Use Template to begin building. You can resize the block by dragging the canvas or enter exact dimensions for precision. Now add your content such as text, shapes, images, videos, audio, or other objects to bring your design to life. When you're done, click the Back button. Your work will automatically save. To modify a shape, click Edit Shape to adjust its form. Use mixed colors to choose a fill color. You can further refine the appearance by adjusting border width, corner radius, and adding styling effects such as drop shadows or overlays. Inside a shape, use mixed fonts to change the font style, or text type to specify heading, body text, or caption. Use position to place your text precisely. For formatting, you can adjust text color, add highlights, apply bold, underline, italic, or strike through, add bullets, change alignment and fine-tune padding for spacing and readability. With the custom block feature in Articulate Rise 360, you can create professional, visually engaging designs that enhance your course content. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.